Welcome to this tutorial on tips for Zopa Online Banking, a comprehensive guide to help you navigate and make the most of your Zopa account. Zopa is a digital bank that offers a range of services including current accounts, credit cards, and savings accounts. Firstly, to get started with Zopa Online Banking, you need to download the Zopa app from the App Store and sign up for an account. The sign-up process is straightforward and requires some basic personal and financial information. Once you have signed up, you will receive a confirmation email and can then log into your account. To manage your account effectively, it is essential to understand the different features and services offered by Zopa. The app allows you to track your spending, set budgets, and receive notifications when transactions are made. You can also use the app to send and receive money, pay bills, and apply for credit cards and loans. One of the key tips for using Zopa Online Banking is to set up budgeting and tracking tools. The app allows you to categorize your spending and set targets for different areas of your budget. This helps you stay on top of your finances and make informed decisions about your money. Another important tip is to take advantage of Zopa's savings features. The app offers a range of savings accounts with competitive interest rates, allowing you to earn money on your savings. You can also set up automatic transfers from your current account to your savings account, making it easy to build up your savings over time. In terms of security, Zopa Online Banking uses robust security measures to protect your account and personal information. The app uses encryption and two-factor authentication to prevent unauthorized access to your account. It is also essential to use strong passwords and keep your account information up to date to prevent any potential security breaches. Finally, to get the most out of Zopa Online Banking, it is crucial to regularly review and update your account information. This includes checking your account balance, transactions, and budgeting targets to ensure you are on track with your financial goals. You can also use the app to access customer support and get help with any questions or issues you may have. By following these tips and using Zopa Online Banking effectively, you can take control of your finances, save money, and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always stay informed about the latest features and services offered by Zopa and to regularly review and update your account information to get the most out of your account.